Welcome everybody to Apple Insider. It is Andrew here. And alongside the Apple Watch Series 6, Apple released not just a few new colors of bands, but a few new styles. In this video, we are going to be taking a look at the Solo Loop and the Solo Braided Loop, and a few of the new Nike colors just to cap it off. Unlike most of Apple's bands, the new Solo Loop and Solo Braided Loop come in multiple sizes. There are actually several available, and you need to know which one you need to order when you go to order your Apple Watch or the band by itself. You can head into an Apple store where there's a custom sizer, or you can just print this one off from Apple's website. Wrap it around your wrist, and it'll tell you which number and which size band to order. In my case, I was right there between a 7 and an 8. I ended up ordering an 8, though it was slightly too large. It's comfortable and fits just fine, but I may have gone down a size now that I've actually had a chance to try it on. So we have all the colors available to look at today, but we're going to start off with just opening it up, looking at one by itself, and then we'll look at all the colors Apple has available for both the Solo Loop and the Solo Braided Loop. The Solo Loop comes in a normal box just like most of Apple's other watch bands. You open it up and there's some basic instructions along the top letting you know how to install it, and then your band right here. There's a little pull tab, just pull on that and then you can easily free the band from its channel. Apple says these are made from liquid silicone. And honestly, they are far more flexible than I imagined after seeing the presentation. It's like a giant stretchy rubber band. This thing is crazy. It actually feels really fun and very flexible and very comfortable to wear. Putting this on, even though mine was a little bit big, it was very comfortable, and I tried to size down and it too was very comfortable even though it was tighter. Even when these things are tight, they're very, very comfortable to wear because that liquid silicone is just so flexible. It has been a while since Apple released new styles, and we are thrilled to see both the new Solo Loop and Solo Braided Loop. But we have a lot more to unbox. Let's go ahead and jump into all the new Nike colors, then we'll take a look at the colors of the Braided Solo Loop, and then finally the rest of the colors for which kind of have the most option, the regular Solo Loop. We're going to start off with the Solo Loop. This is probably the most popular. It comes bundled with a bunch of the Apple Watches, comes in 7 different colors, and is the cheapest, coming from Apple at $49. Now we have a bunch of different colors here, but I do want to point out there is also a product red version to match the product red Apple Watch, but right now it is listed as coming soon and not available. So we have these 6 colors and are missing the product red option. The first one we saw there was the very dark cypress green Solo Loop. This is the black Solo Loop, if you could not have guessed from the deep black color. Then we have a blue option, which Apple calls Deep Navy, the Deep Navy Solo Loop. This, of course, is going to look pretty great with that new blue aluminum Apple Watch Series 6. We then have this color here, which is actually called Pink Citrus. It's a little bit mixed between a pink and an orange. It's kind of cool looking, so we dig this new pink citrus color. Finally, the yellow option, which Apple calls Ginger, but it's basically yellow, so we have the Ginger Solo Loop. And then finally, we have the white option, which Apple nicely just calls white. Nothing like snow or anything like that, just called the white Solo Loop. While I absolutely love the new Solo Loop, the Braided Solo Loop may be even cooler. These are a bit more expensive at $99, but they're made from a stretchable, recycled yarn, interwoven with silicone threads designed for ultra comfort with no buckles or clasps. This too has a product red version that is coming soon, and not shown here is Pink Punch, which unfortunately you guys all just bought out right away and we could not get our hands on. So there's Pink Punch along with these 4 colors, which is the Inverness Green, Charcoal, which is essentially black, and Atlantic Blue. All these colors look great, and these are even more comfortable in my opinion than the standard Solo Loop. Between the two, I like the Braided Loop just a little bit more, though if you're going to be wearing this for workouts and everything, of course it's going to get sweaty pretty darn quick. Aside from the loop options, Apple debuted 3 new Nike versions of its watch bands. So this here is the Obsidian Mist and Black, basically kind of a light purple and a black color option there. The second one we have is blue black with bright mango. So blue black and bright mango. It's a little bit kind of like a dark purple with that mango color there. Finally, we have Spruce Aura and Vapor Green. So those are all of Apple's very new watch bands for the Apple Watch Series 6, the Solo Loop, the Braided Solo Loops, and then of course the Nike versions. They're a new version of their standard watch band and a leather link, but we'll show you guys that in another video.